Alt medium taken, going brick medium.
Okay, good.
Uy.
Then I'll start scouting movement sa channels. Wait lang, I'm just scouting. Front four, five, seven, five, and status.
Bug small broken.
Thanks, update.
Let's go to front 8 after PDF, bro. Scam. Hello, can you hear me? Scam.
Yeah. Do you have action on front eight?
Okay.
Do someone need help in front eight? Minutes. Wait, let me get someone to scout. Chu, is Chu there? Chu, can you scout front eight?
I go to scout. Which castle, bro?
Okay. Uh, Chu is absent. Uh, let's go check on Rojak, Fortis, and Baby Boys.
Okay. I'll go Rojak
There.
first.
Rojak, Fortis, Elites, and Baby Boys. If not, if no action, we'll go to front one. You have Lycan there, Omerta, Linseer,
Oh, let's fight Vince
Enzo.
here.
Okay, front one it is.
Those are the latecomers last night.
Front eight, I don't think there's action. Much.
Rojak Castle, it's broken. Let's see.
Rojak, big
Yeah,
gadget.
it's broken by elites. No Ajit for Rojak now. Taking 40 sa medium.
We can go eight if Rojak needs help. I can fight elites. I can fight elites.
Okay, Shinri at medium.
Shinrisa, okay.
Shinri is mini.
Light still have some issues with H item. Just take all. Yeah, just reset, No, just reset and take all. We have 1 minute left anyway. 30 seconds, I'll start moving people out of the Ajit. We'll go to front 8. Gat is here. Okay. So, yeah, we'll go front 8. You have Gat here as well.
Which castle ulit? I could see Monarch here at Greenwood Big. Just check inside.
Yeah. Let's go front 8. Can you check elites, bro?
Yep.
Greenwood Lake.
Here. Okay, it's moving. Seems like Rojak is also attacking them.
Rojak is attacking. Okay.
Greenwood Big elites. I also saw some roll. Okay, broken.
Broken. Okay. Claw, move to front 8. Spell. Okay, EXO, we will move to front 8. This is going to be... Which Ajit are really focusing?
Greenwood Big.
Okay. EXO, move to Greenwood Lake Big, front 8. Projects occupying. Okay. EXO, let's move to 7. Run to 7. We'll all RG at 7. The rest follow at 7. Just step here. Hello, can you scout near 6? Junction going to 6. Can you scout Claw? Junction going to 6. The rest RG at 7. Claw Junction at 6.
It's empty.
Empty?
Empty
Walang naka-def.
Okay. Let me check. They're going elites, Okay, let's go. Break big. Let's check. Break big. In heated battle. Big. Front anyway. Let Rojak enter first. Safe zone, guys. Safe zone. Let Rojak enter first. So catch up. Okay. EXO, we will move to 6. Okay. Let's move out in 3, 2, 1, go. To 6, move to 6. Let's stay in front of 6 for a while. Okay. Elites in front, elites in front. Okay, let's move to 3, move to 3. EXO, move to 3. Take 3, we'll take 3. Okay. Set up defense at 3. Peace. Clear. Let's move to 2. Clock, can you go Luina medium for now? Can you check Luina medium? I think they're just cycle breaking right now. Claw to Luina medium, the rest will just rotate here. At Brit big. You just clean up. Okay, clean up guys, we'll go to 1, then move down to 4, 3, and 7. Okay. Empty, go to 4, 3, then 7. Empty castle. Status at medium.
So far empty.
Luina medium, empty. Cycle
Currently at
breaking.
3. So far empty.
Empty at 3. Okay. Let's go 7. Then if not, we'll go out and check for
Seven and 4.
okay.
Even empty.
We'll move out.
So,
Yeah. Let's
Big
move out.
has alpha, bro.
So let's
Alpha.
move to green big. It's empty now. EXO, move to Greenwood big.
Would be okay.
Started rotating. Okay, get ready, EXO. I think Rojak is coming in. Okay. EXO, let's go move to 3. Move to 3, EXO.
Rojak at 3, ah.
Rojak at 3. Okay, just don't come up. Don't come up. Elites going 6.
Yeah,
Move down.
behind.
Elites
Elites
here,
behind us.
Move down. Elites here at 6. Let's engage. Elites at 6. Elites coming in at 6. Move down. EXO, move down. Elites coming in at 6. Engage at EXO at engage elites at 6 EXO. Okay. Okay, EXO, hold for now.
expel guys, expel.
Expel those near you, okay? Ready, EXO? Okay, move towards elites. Move towards elites now. Cover them. Okay. Push. Then we'll go towards 7. Okay, they're here. Push, EXO, push. If anyone's not in your team, summon. Summon. Bids. Reso front line, then push. Push forward. Got kick. Can someone take over? Got kick.
Okay. So someone here, the left side of the 6 o'clock stronghold. Push. There's a lot of shoes.
Just
Kailan on
expel
dog
fast.
and expel. I'm expelling. Somebody expel as well. Go. Just push them. We're wiping them. Nice one. Move. Slowly push, Don't go fast. Summon zero. Use your cat
Those
cafe
that
for
guide-
now. Yeah, there's a lot of
Yeah,
herbs.
those guide move to 5 o'clock entrance.
Roadjack at 6, pushing at 6, so I think we're sandwiching Roadjack. Don't engage with Roadjack, Exa. Go back. Can you see the other way below 6 stronghold? Go from there. Don't engage.
Go to the south side of 6. We rotate from the south.
Don't
Move
engage
back.
with Roadjack. We'll backstab elites. Just kill elites.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice Exa. Push elites. Kill them from the back.
Lower.
Yeah.
Go to the lower side of 6.
I think we're wiping them, bro.
Hey everyone, EXO, those who have been kicked, regroup at 6. Let's regroup at 6. Okay, we're here. Regroup.
Bro, they're moving forward. Going to 3. Yeah.
Okay, let's sandwich. That
Yeah,
middle arc. Sandwich. Okay, kill everyone in front. Performers, I need you in front.
I think Roadjack na to.
Put DD for now.
Fall back.
Roadjack.
It's Roadjack. Yeah. Roadjack
Okay.
already.
Right side of 6. Okay, let's engage
Alright.
this duck.
Yeah, kill it.
Foods up.
Ducks versus Jokes.
Performers ready. We need your DD. Okay, DD unstuck. Elf, can you put your swords in front? We need your swords in front. Okay, nice one. Okay, let's push. Forward, EXO, forward. Nice one.
Expel.
Okay, DD
Push them. Yeah.
Okay, as you move forward, just expel the shoes. Okay, nice. Forward. Let's clean this up. Forward, EXO, let's push them until safe zone.
Nice
Alright.
one.
Push them. Okay, nice. Let's rotate back from south side of 6. Go towards 7. Let's go towards 7. From south side of 6. Still have some elites here. Okay. Okay, EXO, move to 7. We still have some elites here. Expel. Expel the ones that we killed. Seven. Okay, EXO, RG at 7. RG here. 7. Ay, naku, Roadjack. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. We'll move to Luina Big next. Let's help decodes. Okay. EXO move to Luina Big. EXO move to Luina Big now. No need to stay until save zone for now.
Mortis,
Let's Lord.
taking 7, bro.
Let pass. Let them go first. Let them go first. Chill lang, chill lang, chill lang, chill lang. Okay. Waiting game with Lord, ha? Waiting game with Lord. Okay, go. Ah, wait lang. Yeah, let them go. Okay, ready, EXO? We will move to 6. Speed cake, fast cake, we will move to 6, ha? Ready? 3, 2, 1, move to 6. Speed cake, fast cake. We'll overtake Lord from this side. We'll try. Okay. Rojak is here. Okay, kill Rojak. We defended for them anyway. Let's kill them now. DD up, DD up, DD up at 6, DD up at 6. Elves, elves. Elves, corner the incoming Rojak from right side. Okay. Good, good. And just take over Rojak for now. Leave Lord alone. We'll focus on Rojak first. Okay, move to the right side of 6. Go, push, push. Move to the right side. Expel, expel all. Expel all, expel all. Okay, move to the right side. EXO, move here, ah. Right side, right side. We'll push them. We'll push Rojak for now. Okay. EXO, we'll move to 8. Move to 8, EXO, move to 8. Got? Sige. Just clear the guilds we face now. RG here first. RG here first at 8. Okay. Okay. So we will move to 3. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Move to 3 now. Entering from the south side. South side. Enter from the south side. Okay, we have some Lord. Okay. Face Lord at the open area, left side of 3. And we have got the 8. Exit 3 from the north. Yeah. Engage, got. Engage, got. DD up. Yeah. Okay, we'll slowly march to 1. Slowly march to 1. Okay. Does God have an agile? Yeah. Just keep okay. Perfect def. Okay, let's play with God. They're perfect def anyway. Next. Okay, so let's move to Greenwood medium. Check here. It's still from the right side. It's okay. Lord will be here. Dolphins. Hello, Dolphins. Save zone, EXO save zone. Let's wait for the others. Let's wait. Clock pa rin sila. Come on. Let Lord lead for now. Greenwood Lake medium, Greenwood Lake medium. Let Lord lead. We don't want to get backstabbed by Lord. So. It's okay. We'll push from same starting point as we did earlier. Let Lord push. Going to 6. Sige. Okay, EXO. Speed cake, pass cake. Let's go to 7. 3, 2, 1. EXO, move to 7 now. Move to 7, move to 7. Engage, engage, 7. There's Lord here. Okay. DD up, DD up. DD up. Engage, engage, clear out Lord before they summon. Clear out. Expel before they summon. Expel before they summon. Don't want to get gangbanged by Lord here. Okay. Clear him out. Nice. Expel all Lord. Okay. Ready? EXO will move to 3. South side. 3, 2, 1. Move. South side. Go up. Set up defense. EXO exit from north side now. We'll go to the open area. Left. Right side open area. Okay, engage. We have Lord here. Yeah. Engage. We have Lord. Engage. Front side going to 5. Open area. We have baby boys here. Okay. Push. EXO push. Go to 2. We'll push from 5 going to 2. Okay. Baby boys here. No need for foods yet. Performers enter. Elf. Need to CC front. Okay, EXO, let's move to 2. Let's push. Baby boys to go to 2. Expel along the way. So expel along the way. Okay. Go up to 2. Set up here. Got at 3. Starting, we'll base at 4, then move to 3. Lord. Engage, Lord. You have Lord here. Engage. Okay, move up. Ready. Move up. EXO, move to 4. Move up 4. Move up. We need you at 4. Okay, foods up. Foods up. Engage at 4. 40s at 4. Move up. Okay. Ay ka. Punat ang shield. Okay, keep fighting. Sige. Germs. Can you jump at front? Jump in front so you can clear the fields. The rest. Performers, dive in. Okay, those who died. RG at 12. Okay. Sige lang. Okay, RG. Yeah, it's okay. A second round of summon. Second round summon. Anyone who's any of your party that's still clashing with at 4, summon. Summon. Anyone who's still at 4, summon. Okay. Yeah, continue fighting. Keep fighting. We're still here. Alive. Round 2 of foods. Ready. Round 2 of foods. Decode's here already. Sige lang. Okay. Still alive, guys. Keep fighting. Lord backstabbing, ah. Okay, EXO, about face. We'll face Lord first. They're backstabbing us. About face, EXO. We're fighting Lord now, Shit, ganda na ng pwesto doon. Na-push na natin. Okay, EXO. Out for now, move out. Let's refresh. Refresh our numbers, refresh our foods. Move out. Yeah, move out for now. We don't have firepower left there. Refoods. Move out. Check your equips, refoods. And let's fight them again. Everyone who's ready, RG at 12. RG at 12, safe zone. Everyone who's ready. Here's guys, they have Nuka users. Okay, everyone RG at 12. Safe zone for now. Code's here. Yeah. Safe zone. Ay, nag-continue yung timer. Papastop nila. Hey, shit. Okay, we'll move to 6. Speed cake, fast cake. Move to 6 in 3, 2, 1. Okay, EXO, move to 6 now. Okay, move up. South of 3. Okay, we have rising. Okay. EXO, move up to 3. Go to 3. Let's take over 3 for now. Clear out. Expel. Okay. Ayun. Break na. Move down. Let's face Lord. Ay. Broken na. Okay. EXO, move out. Leave up. Sayang. Lord na lang. Okay, we have Che here. Relax. Don't go out yet. Relax. We have Che here. Let them go first. EXO 5 o'clock entry, ah. Okay. Ready. Let's move to the Left side entrance will block off Che from here. Left side entrance will go to 6. Will go to 8. 8 or 7. Hindi 6. It's 8, right? 8. Unnamed one. Okay, ready. Speed kick, fast kick. Let's go to 8 from left side. Left side. We'll engage. Engage. Cut off, Lord. Ready. Performers and Elf, cut off. Cut off Lord from here. Shit. Performers set up defensive DD in our stack. Che is trying to enter from backside. Set up defensive DD. Defensive DD. Okay. Compress for now. We're getting pushed back by Lord. Compress. Elf. Can you sword in front of Lord. Just to delay. Ay, kung asa. Tangin ng Lord to. Minsan tayo doon din nakikisiksik. Okay, enter 12 o'clock safe zone. May nako Lord. Sige lang. They're going 6. Okay, EXO, move to 6. Speed kick, fast kick, move to 6. 3, 2, 1. Move out, move to 6. Move to 6. Engage with a small team of Lord here. Ay, shit. What's that? Di pala yun ang perform. Try ka. Shit. Sige. Out. Sandwich tayo. Got sandwich. XRG at 5. Okay, let's do one last good clash. RG at 5 first, RG at 5. Okay, EXO ready. We'll move to the bridge. Okay lang. Ready. Move to the bridge. 3, 2, 1. Move to the bridge. Okay. Opposite side, Che, ha? Okay. Let's engage, Che. Don't move to 8. We'll move here. This side, engage, Che. The other side. Okay, engage. Start engaging. We'll backstab Che. Foods up. Elf and performers. Engage. EXO foods up, we'll engage. Okay. Push forward. Okay. Got Lord in front. Push forward. Elf. Swords in front, swords in front. Let's delay Lord here. Performers ready. Ah, shit. Performers. Ready up. Okay. Ah, na-pull. Shit. Ay, shit. Unli pull na. Puta. Engage, just keep engaging. Ay, na-wipe natin sila eh. Bumalik. Status got kick. Wipe.